How to fix TikTok upload video failed. So if you have uploaded a video on TikTok and if it says that uploading has failed, then that means you didn't have the stable internet connection while you were uploading that video. So if you are uploading any videos on any app, then first you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, if it is lagging, then your video or your post will not be uploaded. Even if it is uploaded, then it won't be uploaded on a highest quality. So first check the internet connection. The main problem is that, and then after that you can open up your TikTok application and you can go for profile, which is on the bottom left, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has a three bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And here if you scroll down, you will have free up space. Tap on that and then tap on clear cache and tap on clear. And after clearing the cache on TikTok app, you can go back and then you can open up your settings, your phone settings, and then go for apps and notifications. And here you can open up your TikTok application on your settings and then go for storage and cache. And here also you can tap on clear cache. And even after that, if your issue still doesn't fix, then you need to uninstall the application once, and then after uninstalling you can again install it from your Google Play Store. And then after installing you can log into your account and that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix, then the last option is to restart your device. So to restart, you can simply hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option on the right side, upper right side. You can simply tap on restart, and after restarting you can again upload that video. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.